Today's Volkswagen adventure. I'm up at Dirty Rides. This is my 72 Beetle. Picked it up a week or two ago. Here's the engine. The guy I got it from said there was an ignition problem, and the distributor had a Petronix electronic, and he said it was smoked. I took a video. You can see there's literally a burn mark on it. So what I'm going to do is clean up that opening. The spring is in there, and I've already checked the wires. They're all running to the right location. I'm going to put a distributor in there. With the ignition, I put a battery in, and there is no power, so I'm going to try getting this thing just to crank over and see if we can get it to pop. So that's today's adventure. Alright, we got the new distributor in. Still loose, so we can adjust it. We moved the pulley to the mark, so hopefully that's top dead center. Lined it up. One is about right here. So put the wires on. Now we're going to try to get power to it, see if she'll jump. Alright, we got quite the setup going on here. Took the tire off. I made myself a push button. Basically there's two wires with an alligator clip. Push that, it cranks over. Got the distributor in. I've got the coil hooked up. I've got a second battery because I didn't have a lead long enough to run from inside the car where the battery is that's running the starter. So I have a hot wire which I'll hook up to the hot side of the coil to fire up the coil, and then I have a piece of fuel line running into a gas can. Let's hope this don't blow. So we're gonna give it a shot. This will probably spark a little bit, maybe not. Okay, I have that battery grounded to the car. So I took a little fuel, I dumped it into that hole to put a little in the float bowl. This carburetor looks pretty dirty, so I'm gonna give it a little love. And I'm gonna step back and see if it pops at all. Oh. Oh, she's alive! She runs. I'll keep working on it. I'll get her to run better, but that's all I wanted to make this video on. That makes me happy. The new distributor in, little fuel to her, got sparked now. It's back to points, back to old school. Got everything hooked up. Sounded like it wanted to run, need timing adjustment, all that fun stuff, but it will run, and it is a success. Sweet. Alright, it's Sunday. I'm gonna go barbecue something. Have a good afternoon.